Okay, newest addition to the inventory is a 2011 GMC 2500 HD extended cab 4x4 6-hole automatic. Stock number is 8465. As you can see, this thing was nailed in the front. It's also a work truck. I'm going to go to the left side because basically that's what we have here. We do have left side doors. As you can see, there's this 2500 HD. Okay, got the left front door and the left rear door. Again, extended cab. These are power window, power locks. There's your right rear door. Left rear door has the privacy tint. Okay, you got a left side running board, sort of like a chrome, decent shape. Okay, there's your 17-inch steel 8-lug single wheel. Really rusty, but it's holding there, as you can see. Okay, front end, front ham 373s. Got the axles up as low as spindles. All of that's all good, seems to be. Okay, steering box seems to be good. Intermediate shaft is there. These are the big mirrors. Okay, these mirrors are power, and they have the signal, and they're heated, and they did dual mirrors. Okay, like a trailer mirror. Okay, bed's no good. We got the gas flapper there. Back window is privacy tint, no heat. Is your third light up above there. Again, bed's no good. Rear end 8-lug 14-bolt disc brake ABS 373s posi. Okay. Leaf springs are a 4-lug with the helper. I'm sorry, 4-lug. Oh my God. 4-leaf with the helper. Get too old for this nonsense. Okay. Tailgate that was put on here is from a Silverado, as you can see. Basically a work truck gate. Rear bump, as you can see, is no good. Trailer hitch is all bent. Everything's bent there. Okay, that wheel is no good. The running board was missing the pad on top. Here's your 6-0 Vortec motor. Myself and Ronnie both heard it. Sounds good. Here's your airflow meter. Ain't got much good on the front as far as radiation. Everything's all wiped out. Power steering pump seems to be good. The alternator seems okay. Here's your power brake booster, which is it's a hydrovac system. Okay, there's your steering column, steering shaft, and your fuse box. Wiper arms, wiper motor, wiper trams, all good. Okay. I'm sorry I didn't get to the right side doors. Right side doors are no good. Outside handle is black textured. Okay. Let's go over there again because I just kind of walked right past it. And we'll show you what the right side's got here. Okay, right front's got a window regulator, power regulator with the motor. Okay, right rear, same thing. Power window regulator with the motor. Here's your right rear door glass, which is power, privacy. Right front door glass. Here's your right side mirror. Again, it's got the big trailer mirrors with the dual glass, heated with the signal. Okay. Here's your right front wheel, aluminum, 8-lug. We really got just 2 wheels on this thing, kind of shitty. And a dirty, basically, work truck. Okay, we're going to go to the inside of the truck here now. It's your power window switches. Okay. Power window, power locks, power mirror, window lock, single auto. It's your trailering buttons. Okay. Automatic headlights with dome lights, information setup, steering column, tilt, cruise delay with a key. It also has the radio controls, information. Airbag is blown. As you can see, the right side bag is blown also. You only got a left side visor, which is light up, and it's a sliding style. Mirror is no good. It's all, and it's got the oxidizing, whatever you want to call it, on the edges there. Okay, rear seats are no good. Left side power seat track. Right side's a manual track. Center's no good. Center seat, little jump seat, whatever you want to deal with it. There's your cluster. 186-301, tack trip, gauges automatic. You got to check the ID on this thing. Okay, transmission looks like it's a rebuild in this thing. Couldn't get an ID off of it. I guess we'll have to do that when we get it out. Radio I didn't put in because it's locked. I don't have any information on it. There is your heated controls, manual controls with the heated mirrors, but does not have a heated back glass. There's your four-wheel drive switch. Okay, there's your trailer buttons. All right, and that's pretty much it for this Joker. Okay, again, 2011 GMC 2500 HD 6.0 automatic, 4x4, 186K. Extended cab, stock number is 8465. Hit hard in the front, and kind of a work truck the rest of the way. So you really don't have much on this truck as far as body. You got two left side doors, that's about it. And you got one tail light. You got a right rear tail light, that's good. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for this. You need any parts for this, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. Extra Mo, Larry, Curly. Okay. Business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday we're here from 8 to 1. Can't get us during business hours. You can get us online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. Okay, that's it for this junk box. Ciao. See you later. Bye.